Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Guys, Christmas is cancelled. Christmas is cancelled. Are you happy Christmas is cancelled?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Okay, you don't understand what I'm just saying. Anyway, guys, Christmas is kind of cancelled for us because
rainy.
We were supposed to have Christmas dinner with my mother-in-law, but she's in contact case for COVID. My sister-in-law has COVID, so my mother-in-law was with her, so now my mother-in-law is in contact case for COVID. So now we have to come up with plan B to keep Christmas dinner, to have Christmas dinner at home. Just us five. Don't say that, Maya. So how do you like my makeup? We're at the supermarket. We're going to do a quick shop to see what we can get. You know, today is the day before Christmas, and we just learned about my mother-in-law this morning. So we are now at the supermarket to get the last-minute shopping item to prepare Christmas dinner tomorrow. So we'll be finally having a Jamaican Christmas at our house, because every year we'd have a Jamaican Christmas, but not on Christmas Day, a few days before Christmas. And then we would have Christmas dinner with Matthew's family. So come along with us, guys, as we go shopping, and then we'll have Christmas at our home tomorrow. So see you throughout this vlog. Here I'm going to eat a slice of my cake, my gift now. A slice of black cake. Delicious. You want to taste it? No. Why? You don't like it? Your neighbor's drink can't go to Jamaica, chala. Even Jamaica like it. Christmas and Christmas out of this. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's finally Christmas morning. I'm just a wake up. Now is 9:55 and mommy is just waking up. See that face? He's not very happy because I wake up from about 6 o'clock this morning, ready to open gifts. But I went to bed super late last night because, as I said earlier, Christmas is cancelled at my mother-in-law's house, and we're having Christmas here today. So I was busy preparing everything last night. I didn't make any sorrel, so I had to draw the sorrel last night. I already baked the cake, so the cake was ready, but I had to season the meat, put the peas to soak and all that to prepare myself for today. So in a few minutes we're going to open the gift. Maya, come here. Come here.
Come here. Come no. Come.
She can't wait no more. Maya can't wait no more. Me and Jamal in between in PJ. James.
Wow.
Oh. After 2 me got on the bed last night. Is that me look? Jamal, go and go look for your gift. Jamal, it was a number. Alex, to a number 3. Alex, a number 3. No, you are number 3, Jamal. No, I'm listening to my number 3, huh? I mix them up. Look at them. Wow. Jamal, sit down over there, so. And you put the paper in the apple bell now, Maya. Wow. Allez, Jamal. I'm not gonna get confused, Panny, if I take the flag. Make sure I write the name, Panny, instead. Alex, go and look for your gift. Your number 3. Your number. Jamoy, arrête de faire ça.
Quoi?
Alex, go and look for your gift.
Wow. Wow. Microscope de la mort. Ça, avec Maya, vous allez pouvoir faire des expériences et regarder au microscope. Hein?
Moi, au début, je croyais que c'était autre chose. Moi, je croyais que c'était pour regarder dans les étoiles.
What's it gonna get on?
Yes, one Xbox mark, number, what's that, number 1? One Xbox mark, number 1 too.
Si, my love. Ça, je sais. Ça, Daddy? Daddy!
Oui, ça fait oui.
Bah, pas de nombre. Il n'a pas de nombre.
And for Alex Christmas, Alex getting license paid.
Il n'a pas de nombre. Il n'a pas de nombre.
Oui.
Oh, 5. Petit 5.
Assieds-toi, Jamoy, assieds-toi.
Petit 5.
Assieds-toi.
Moi, c'est moi quand c'est pas bien lavé. C'est pour moi ça.
Move, Jamoy. You put all of them, Alex get outside of him, Jamoy. You put all of, Alex give side of him. You the mirror one, you put all of them there, so.
Voici un numéro 1. Il y a un 7, mais 7.
C'est 4. Le numéro 4, c'est pour moi. Jamoy, l'emballage, je vais mettre là-bas, tout plein.
Je vais laisser t'enlever ça.
C'est donc, Mathieu. Oui, oui, merci. Maya, oui, attends. Je dis attends. Maya, mon vote, oui. Hein.
Wow. 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 Wow.
C'est quoi? Ah oui.
Ben ouais.
Mais ah, maintenant.
Quel était le bébé?
Moi.
Ouais.
Ah oui. On deux. C'est rare, monsieur. Attends.
Wow.
Décembre. Oui, Décembre.
Eh ben, ça c'est un beau calendrier, merci mon mec.
C'est qui a missing nobody birthday.
Yeah.
Ça, par contre, c'est pour toi et Daddy.
Oui, oui, merci. Il y a un autre cadeau, Mathieu. Il n'y a pas ouvert ton cadeau là. J'ai moy.
10.
Donne à ton père.
Tu te brosses bien les dents, c'est pour Buddy et Moumi ça?
Oui.
C'est pour tous les deux?
Non, ça faut tirer.
Oh.
Ça.
Joyeux Noël!
Merci, Jamoy.
C'est le
Le ballon il est pour
de
toi.
la classe.
On va mettre les ballons
Une fille de la
là.
classe, ça, qui a fait ça. Bon, en fait, le maître, il nous avait dit qu'on devait changer.
Un beau cadeau. T'es contente toi? T'as signé, t'as tes voleurs?
Alright, Jamoy, not liking gift to me. I go send it back.
Hé, ça va. Bouffe.
Bah, il faut le charger déjà avant. Alors, quoi qu'il reste. Fais passer le cadeau s'il reste.
Mais comment on l'ouvre? Bah, d'abord, il y a
Mathieu.
un cher Ron, sauf que Ron est bien sûr
Ça, c'est pour qui? C'est pas pour toi ça?
Pour toi?
Et toi?
Bah,
Open again. That is true. Smell nice? Down here, Alex. One way in there?
Oui, t'es démassé. Après,
Wow.
le bien.
Merci mon bon. Thank you, ça va être long.
Look for your gift then, Matthew. Matthew, look for your gift then.
On a bien 4. Ah oui. Bah bravo, hein. Bravo. Loto, t'as bien vu?
Come scratch them because we said we can buy one house this morning. Alex, you want me a third gift? Maya, pourquoi il y a scream so?
Microscopé.
Hmm? Good morning. I don't know where to start that, but this is the day after Christmas. We went out yesterday. We took the decision to go to my mother-in-law's house because the COVID person weren't there. And we were feeling a bit under the weather also, so we finally decided to go to my mother-in-law's house. We had a wonderful time. So I didn't really film much, but I took a bag of pictures. So you will see my Christmas tree pictures. So I'm here eating my Jamaican Christmas cake that I made. This year turned out better than last year. Last year did kind of white. This year, 100% better and tastes 100% better. I still enjoy it because this is what I have. And I want to make MJ alone and eat it. I have a little bit of rum, and then on Christmas time I can eat it still. Nobody else don't like it. Alex don't like it. Martin don't like it. Maya, she only like chocolate cake. And I made me some sorrel, so I have sorrel, my Christmas cake this year. I made it from the night before Christmas. So last night, when we came home, I sweetened it and put it in the fridge. So now well cool now. I have 2 bottles of sorrel. The rest of the gang is not awake yet. No, my and Jim are outside. Alex, I think Alex wake up yet. Matt is drinking his coffee. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. We're gonna stay home or we're gonna go somewhere. But this is the aftermath after Christmas. So my face look nice, like my red worst still. Wow. And the face can look all the time.